By the end of this course, you will know the basics of Adobe Illustrator even if you have never opened it before. Hello everyone, my name is Talha and I am an Adobe Illustrator instructor. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or someone who struggles with Adobe Illustrator. In this course, we will learn everything from scratch. We will learn all the tools and techniques which are required for making fun and beautiful designs and illustrations. We will start off by learning about basic shapes and colors and then make simple animals out of them. Gradients and how to apply them and make self-repeating shapes too. Curvature tool and pen tool, which is extremely important if you are into making digital illustrations. We will also learn about the basics of typography and make some really cool text effects too. How to write text in any shape and just how to put an image inside a text. Copy things in circles, make patterns and how to vectorize images. Golden ratio and how to make logos using it. And finally, some introduction to 3D designs and how to make your designs dance using the Puppet Warp tool. And after every couple of videos, you will be given a task so that you could implement what you have learned. Join the course now, can't wait to see you guys in it.